On behalf of Team Jade, we would like to congratulate you for your great success. All right. Good morning, Dr. Dhiren.
Good morning, Diana.
Thank you so much for carving out time from your Sunday to do this interview. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about your personal or professional background?
My name is Dhiren Tanani. I am from India and I did my bachelor's of dental surgery in 2011 and then I pursued a master of dental surgery in periodontology, which I finished in 2016. And last year, March 2024, I immigrated to Canada, right? And then journey starts.
Thank you for that, Doc. So, in your journey to Canada, why did you choose JADE for your training?
Genuinely, I was looking for something online, and JADE provides most of the courses online, right? And on top of that, many of my friends cleared their AFK and SEJ exams with JADE. That's why I selected JADE.
So, through recommendations, you say,
Yeah.
right? That's a good insight. Thank you for that. You recently achieved exceptional scores in your ADAT exam. How are you feeling right now?
To be honest, it's mixed feeling. I feel proud and grateful. I know I worked very hard for this exam and lots of material to study, right? ADAT exam tests you in every aspect of dentistry. So it takes long time to study. And yeah, I'm thankful.
It's truly deserved, Doctor. Did you have a specific strategy or mindset that you adopted going into this exam?
So I would say not only for this exam, but for all of the exam, once I started the learning, my mindset was to just improve my knowledge about dentistry, know the current standards and techniques and approach about the dentistry in North America, because I have lots of clinical experience back in India, right? So now I can relate everything I studied to my clinical practice, right? So basically I would say I was not preparing for the exam, to be honest. I was preparing myself to be a dentist in Canada.
That's good. Like your eye is not just on the short term, but on the long term, right?
Exactly.
That's
yes.
good. Truly, from Team Jade, we appreciate your loyalty and continued trust for always joining our courses. Can you provide a general feedback on your experience with our courses and how they were instrumental?
I took JADE's full AFK course, then ADAT full course, and then currently I'm enrolled in full SEJ course, right? So you can tell that I blindly trust JADE, right? Right? And I can genuinely say by trying all these courses, because every exam is different, JADE has made perfectly each and every course designed for that exam, right? They are made to test different kind of knowledge, and with proper structure of JADE, I feel more confident, right? Yeah, that's why.
Thank you, Doctor. Do you have any specific feedback regarding instructors, or how did their guidance help you throughout your journey?
Every instructors are really good in their subject. They are top of their game. If we have doubts, they never say no. We have so many students, and sometimes personally I feel too many doubts from lots of students, and it's sometimes boring, but it's good for all the students, right? Start with Dr. Shrey Pandya. He's a great mentor. He knows the ADAT exams really ins and outs, right? He's the best in biomedical, right? Dr. Priyanka Suri, she is really intelligent. She knows all the clinical subjects well. I still remember 2 or 3 doubts I asked her, and she goes into too much detail that I personally feel now stop, I understood the topic, but right, she gives her 100%, right? Dr. Sunika Dhaka, oh my god, I really think that most difficult part is biostatistics, right? And Dr. Sunita Dhaka has really made all lectures and everything so perfect and so easy to understand. You can tell by my score, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Your high score, Doctor.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's very good to know. Thank you so much for the detailed feedback on the instructors. I'm sure they will be very thrilled to know your insights, and I'm grateful for their mentorship. Thank you for that. What advice would you give to other dentists who are seeking to pursue dentistry in Canada?
Genuinely, I can't advise everyone the same thing, right? Because everyone is different, because everyone have different kind of problems, like some have financial problems, some have familial problems, some have problems concentrating in the studies, right? But I would say be positive, because lots of negativity right now in Canada and around these exams, right? But I think surround yourself with right resource. Be friends with people who are positive in thinking, right? That would really help.
Is there anything else you want to share about the importance of training to international dentists?
For me personally, JADE provided me the structured schedule. Every day, what should I study? Every day being tested, and then discussions. This really helped me to stay focused and continue my study, because it's really difficult at this age, after practicing lots of years, to study every day. That's the most difficult part, right? You have mentors who have made a perfect study schedule for you.
I think you're saying focus and discipline and using everything around you that you've been given.
Yeah. Because every JADE course has lots of material, lots of things to study, right? It's not like you can memorize each and every detail of the course, right? Even though it's concise, but still. So being disciplined and confident is the way.
Would you recommend JADE to other internationally trained students?
Yeah, well, definitely, right? You can see my track record. I passed the AFK first attempt, right? ADAT, very good score, right?
Yes.
And also preparing for SEJ, and I am confident that I would definitely pass.
Yes.
So I would definitely recommend JADE to anyone who is pursuing these exams.
Thank you, Doctor. And definitely we are rooting for you for the ACJ exam.
Thank you.
If you could summarize your experience with JADE in 3 words, what would those words be?
Excellence, then community, and mentorship.
Thank you, Doctor. Those are really great words. Again, we are so proud of you and we share in your joy. You should be very excited and very proud and celebrating right now for your success. Thank you once again, Doc, for doing the interview. We're glad to have you and looking forward to more courses with you here in JADE.
Yeah.